Hello, my name is Karuna Ausman. I'm International Student Recruitment Specialist for University of Waterloo. I will be attending the September events, and I can assure you that I will meet some quality students for my class of 2023. I invite you to come and meet me and get all first-hand information for entry into University of Waterloo. I can assure you that you will get support from Canam trained staff for study permit information and the documentation that is needed for applications. I wish Canam all the continued success in the work they're doing for study in Canada. Thank you. All the best.